Food Science. Welcome to our Healthline Champions Solutions channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of health and wellness. If you're looking for practical tips, insightful information, and effective remedies to improve your well-being, you've come to the right place. Have you ever wondered how your favorite foods are made? The world of food science is a fascinating and complex industry that is responsible for creating the tasty treats we enjoy every day. From the ingredients and techniques used in manufacturing to the chemical reactions and physical processes that occur during cooking, there is a lot to uncover when it comes to understanding the science behind our meals. In this article, we will delve into the world of food science and take a closer look at how some of our favorite foods are made. From the mass production of snacks and beverages to the meticulous techniques used in creating gourmet dishes, we will explore the various methods and technologies that food scientists use to produce the delicious treats we know and love. So, join us on a journey to uncover the secrets of food science and gain a deeper appreciation for the meals that fuel our bodies and delight our taste buds. 1. Have you ever wondered how your favorite foods are made? 2. From the bread you eat in the morning to the soda you drink at night, food science plays a huge role in creating the foods we love. 3. Learn about the intricate processes and ingredients that go into making everyday products in your pantry. 4. Uncover the secrets behind food preservation, flavor development, and more in our behind-the-scenes look at food production. 5. Gain a new appreciation for the science behind the foods you enjoy every day. 1. Have you ever wondered how your favorite foods are made? Have you ever found yourself pondering on the process of how your favorite foods are made? From the humble beginnings of raw ingredients to the perfectly packaged products lining grocery store shelves, there is a fascinating world of food science behind every tasty treat. Take cookies, for example. The seemingly simple pleasure of biting into a warm, freshly baked cookie is the result of a carefully crafted recipe and a series of precise steps. It all starts with the selection and measurement of ingredients such as flour, sugar, butter, and eggs. These ingredients are then mixed together in a specific order to create a dough that will eventually be shaped into individual cookies. But the real magic happens in the oven. As the cookies bake, chemical reactions occur that transform the dough into the final product we all love. The sugars caramelize, creating that golden brown color and deliciously sweet flavor. The fats melt and spread throughout the dough, creating a soft and chewy texture. And the leavening agents, such as baking soda or baking powder, create the perfect rise and texture. Some text goes here, or what about everyone's favorite comfort food, macaroni and cheese? The process of making this classic dish involves a combination of science and culinary artistry. The pasta is cooked in boiling water until it reaches the perfect al dente texture. Meanwhile, a rich and creamy cheese sauce is made by combining milk, butter, cheese, and other seasonings in a saucepan. When the pasta is cooked and drained, it is combined with the cheese sauce and baked until bubbly and golden brown. The cheese sauce thickens and coats the pasta thanks to the starch released during the cooking process. The result is a decadent and comforting dish that satisfies even the pickiest eaters. Join our community and embark on a journey to a better, happier, and more vibrant you. Subscribe now for more related health remedy solutions.